Hey guys, so अभी जो हम खड़े हैं ना, ये विला नंबर 170 है at अवध किम्बरली, and this is the most luxurious villa which they offer in the project. 5 BHK, built in over 400 square yards, with private pool, with private garden, 2 cars parking, each and everything is available, and it's so spacious. We'll just look into this and we'll explore. So ऐसा कुछ फ्रंट लुक है, वो आपको बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है, वहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक ये अपना पूरा विला है. सो एंटर करते हैं तो पर्टिकुलरली दिस यूनिट इज़ ऑल्सो अवेलेबल एंड इट्स बीइंग लकी फॉर मी दैट विच एवर यूनिट आई एम ट्राइंग टू शो ऑन यूट्यूब, इट्स जस्ट गेटिंग सोल्ड थ्रू मी इन जस्ट अ कपल ऑफ डेज टाइम. सो इफ़ यू वांट दिस यूनिट, just call me on the number below and I'll get you the best deals. Villa number 170, 5 BHK, ultra luxurious. Let's just quickly explore what we have to offer. 2 cars parking, still space will be available. Entrance for backyard, plus your servant quarters as well. This will be your villa entrance. Gated. इतना बड़ा आपको फोयर एरिया मिल रहा है. ये आप अंदर देखो कि आपका लिविंग, सीधे फोयर एरिया, ये सब अपना प्राइवेट स्पेस है. पहले बाहर का पूरा एक्सप्लोर कर लेते हैं. वुडन फ्लोरिंग, यहाँ पे आप अपना सीट्स वगैरह डाल सकते हैं, सनशेड्स वगैरह लगा सकते हैं. कि आपका प्राइवेट पूल है, अगेन लग्जूरियस, बिग साइज्ड, फुल साइज का स्विमिंग पूल है यहाँ पे, प्लस योर प्राइवेट गार्डन स्पेस एज वेल. प्लस garden space here as well, and it goes all throughout there. As it's not sold, so it's not kept clean right now. We don't have a sample in this. Sample was already sold, so please don't mind this. Once you purchase it, everything will be cleaned and then given to you as brand new. So here is how we enter. Big sized living room. Master bedroom. Again a garden here as well, both sides, and then you can have a small coffee table here. Huge. It's so huge. The washroom, it's almost a room here. The washroom is almost a room, see? Facing your garden, your private space. So huge. So this was a living, a master bedroom. That was from where we entered. वहाँ से हम अंदर आए थे. This is your kitchen. So huge. Again. Store area, again very huge, and then your wash area here. And now this is your personal space again, facing your pool and your private garden. आप इसको multi-purpose use कर सकते हैं. You can set up a dining over here, and then you can set up a seating here as well, like a home theater type thing. Whatever you want. Such a huge space. Common toilet. This is the backyard space. Okay. I told you na that garden on the side that runs all throughout to the backyard. See how big this space is. You can set up seating over here, and then you can look at your private pool, your private garden. You can set up a home theater type thing here. Lower seating, Raja Maharaja style. All those things are possible. It's again a multi-purpose use. एक बार यहाँ से देखते हैं इस स्पेस को. Just look at how huge this space is. Again saying luxurious concept है. It's the most luxury thing which Awadh Kimberley is offering. We're on the first floor now. Just look at this space available in between these rooms. First ये room explore कर लेते हैं. Okay. Huge in terms of space. You get your private balcony as well in this room attached. And then again, king-sized washroom. Just look at the space. So this is the third master bedroom. Again, spacious, no doubt. इसको आप वही डिज़ाइन बना सकते हैं, ये हार्ट शेप में है. Luxurious, again. Your balcony. And then again, just look at this space. So your private dressing area. And then such huge space for washroom. Wow. And mind it, only 2 units available in the whole project. Only 2 units available. 4th master bedroom. King-sized washroom. It's like you can set up a bathtub in almost every washroom you have here. हर washroom में आप एक bathtub set up कर सकते हैं. This is your window. You get to see your space over here. Greenery कर सकते हैं यहाँ भी. And then just look at this space. Wow, posh area. Just look at this space. Your private terrace. So this one has just been bought, and they are setting up a gazebo sitting on the terrace over here. So you can set up similarly over your terrace as well, which will be on the other side of our villa. Such huge terrace you get here. Wow. And you can see your private garden plus your private pool from here. Luxury at its best. This is the 5th bedroom. So this is not our master bedroom, this is just a bedroom. Sixth. Again king size toilet. So 5 master bedrooms plus 1 big sized bedroom as well. And then this is your terrace area. So in all, there are 5 master bedrooms plus 1 big bedroom as well. 6 bedroom concept this is. So we are again downstairs and now coming out of the property. Okay, so this was it. Villa number 170. Call me on the number below to get the best deals on this one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.